All right, in this functional group video, we're going to look at amides. And an amide is, as you can see, it is a combination of two functional groups. We have the carbonyl and we have an amine. So the two pieces together make an amide. So here are the rules. Again, we have two parts. We have the carbonyl and we have the amine group. And the ending for the name is going to be amide. When you have more than one thing attached to the nitrogen, you're going to use the N designation again. So like it would be N, and then maybe you have dimethyl because you have two methyl groups attached to that amine or amide, the other nitrogen piece. So here are the examples that we're going to do. Some are straightforward and some involve some parts. Again, you're just looking at the longest continuous chain and seeing where the carbon is that's attached to the amine. So we have our amine here, so we're going to start numbering here, 1, 2, and so that is going to be ethane, and then we're going to change it to an amide ending. So instead of it being ethane, it's going to be ethanamide. Okay, moving over here, we're going to start numbering here at this carbonyl group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is a hexane, but we're going to go hexanamide. Looking down on the bottom left, I see my carbonyl. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is my longest chain. So I have a hex again. I also have some branching. I have an ethyl group and I have a methyl group. So remember, we need to alphabetize these. So in carbon 2, I have an ethyl. We need to have that hyphen in there. Carbon 2 has an ethyl. And then we have on carbon 3, we have a methyl. And then we said it was a hexane, but it's an amide. So 2 ethyl, 3 methyl, hexanamide. Okay, and our last one has more branching. We're going to start numbering here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So again, it's another hex. We have a branch here on the number 2, and we have another branch on number 2, and a bromine on number 4. So I'm going to do my name above this one. We're going to alphabetize those. So we got a bromo, a methyl, and an ethyl. So we're going to go 4 bromo, and then we have a 2 ethyl and a 2 methyl, and the whole thing we said was a hex, so hexanamide. So 4 bromo, 2 ethyl, 2 methyl, hexanamide. All right, so again, just looking for that group, finding the group, starting the numbering, and then just adding all the branches in.